Good evening, YouTube. Welcome back to another episode of Shop Talk with Brett. And we're going to do another video tonight. And this video is going to be more along the lines of my normal shop algorithm. Since we did a bunch of fan videos. Tonight we're going to do a little bit of unboxing and checkout here. And what you see before you right there is the Ego. We'll take a look. Power Plus string trimmer, 16-inch power load string trimmer with line IQ. Comes with a 4 amp hour battery, model number ST1623T. And we're going to open this thing up. Now, I am not sponsored by Ego, so I'm not, they didn't send this. This is totally my money. And I wanted to get a trimmer because, well, I'm getting a little old and the old steel over there is getting a little hard to maneuver anyway lately. And it's getting old now, mind you. I'm not going to get rid of the steel. That's going to be a backup. But I thought this would be a little bit easier. So we're going to unbox this and we're going to take a look at it. This features a 4 amp hour battery, came with it, the charger. Let's see, right here it shows you what came with it. Includes the trimmer, the 4 amp hour battery, pre-cut line, and the 320 watt charger. 56 volt. I'll go over this slowly and you can pause if you need to. Okay, let's turn it around, look at the back of the box. This features a telescoping carbon fiber handle. Here's some information up here. We'll see if we can get that. And there's what we read over there. But anyway, let's get all this goulash cut on it and we'll open this box up and see what she looks like. Okay, let's see what we can do here. Kind of hard to do this with one hand, but we're going to give it a try. I think I'll pause and just get all this crap off of here and then we'll open it. Okay, well, we got them straps cut off anyway. So let's see what we got here. I already kind of loosened these, so we can do this, do this, do this, and do this, do this, and this. Now, let's see what we got. Okay, right off the get-go, we have a box here that has the Ego 56 volt battery. So we're going to go over here and let's see how we're going to do this. I'm going to do that. Maybe flip that top up like that. It's Kind of hard to do this with one hand, folks. And there we go. We have the battery. I'll be back and I'll pull the battery out of the box and we'll see what it looks like. And there we go. We've got the Ego 56 volt lithium ion 4 amp hour battery. It's pretty hefty too. And on the back of it, you will see it does have the famous Ego fuel gauge. And it has 2 bars in it, which they come shipped with 2 bars, but we will be putting that on the charger. So we're going to set that off out of the way. I'll be right back. See what else we have here. We have here the guard. We have here the assist handle. And we have the trimmer itself right here. Put that out of the way. We've got a bag here that has got a couple extra things of 095 line. We have the trimmer itself folded. And if we come over here and we lift this out, we have the charger, 320 watt charger. We're going to set this just over here temporarily. And we're going to come back over here and see what else we got. Get that out of the way. We have the Ego books. And yes, I am going to read those. We have the trimmer itself is what's left, I believe. And we're going to see what this is all about. Stay with us. We'll be back. Okay, we've got everything unboxed. Let's actually go over what we've got here. We've got the trimmer itself. We have the assist handle and the belt loop. We have the little Allen key and the screw that when you unfold that, you lock the handle. We have the Ego battery. We have the 320 watt Ego charger. We have the guard. And we have the books. And we have some extra trimmer line here. So without any further ado, we're going to assemble this. I'm going to do it off camera for the simple fact I don't have a tripod. I don't have a cameraman. And there's plenty of YouTube videos out there showing how it goes together. So the next shot, I'll have her all set up and we'll take a look at it. Stay with us. Okay, we've got it fully assembled here. We'll do a demo tomorrow because it is getting kind of late, but let's go over what we do here. When it comes out of the box, this is, as you saw, was folded in half. Now what you do, there is a screw that you straighten it out, and there's a countersunk hole, and I believe it is right here on the bottom. You straighten it out and you put that screw in, and it goes all the way in, and it threads into this part, which holds it straight. Comes with the supplied screw. The next thing you assemble is the guard, and the guard has 2 screws. See if I can turn it. Right there and right there. that secure the guard to the motor, just like that. It's pretty long too. The handle assembly, there is a release here, which I'll release it and show you very quickly. Warning, this is hard to snap on, but this clip has a bolt that goes through it, and there's a nut, and there's this thing that goes in too. The bolt goes through that, and you tighten this, and with it loose like that, you can adjust it to wherever you want it, and then you simply lock it down. And then you've got another mechanism here you can release, which allows you to telescope the length of this so you can make it shorter or longer. Up here we have a control for low and high. Right now it's on speed 1, speed 2. We have a throttle control that is variable. We come back here and we have the Ego 56 volt battery installed. And as I showed you, it came with 2 bars already on it. But what we're going to do, I'm going to briefly turn this on and let you hear what it sounds like. Let me make sure everything is clear so that I could do this without knocking everything down. Actually, we might do this tomorrow after we fully charge the battery. This has got Line IQ. This is brushless, by the way. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the battery off of this and we're going to put it on the charger. And then tomorrow, when I get home from work and we've got daylight, we'll finish the review up. Maybe I'll get another cameraman here and we'll demo it and we'll give our final thoughts. So stay with us. We will be back. Just thought I'd show you real quick. We are charging the battery. And yes, this charger is fan cooled. And right now we're on the second bar. We're going to leave this and we're going to see what it does tomorrow. And we'll go from there. No other indicator lights on it. Power plus. Now let's look at the battery. Ego 56 volt, 4.0 amp hour, ARC lithium, and I believe you get about 45 minutes to an hour runtime on this on the battery. And just for the heck of it, I did power up the trimmer. It does work, but we're going to leave that battery charge overnight and go from there. This, I'm sure, will just shut itself off and we'll be ready to go. I'll read the book and see. Okay, welcome back. It's the next day. We've got the Ego out here now. We've got a fully charged battery, and I have temporarily mounted the shoulder strap for my steel to this. I am going to order the Ego strap for this because this didn't come with it. But anyway, now we could power it up. This is low speed, and I showed you the speed indicator last night, but here's the RPM range in low. We'll squeeze the, push the lock out and squeeze the trigger. And now we'll go. Okay, now we'll go into high range. Push the button, and let's see where we go. Oh, that's still low range. Now we should be in high. Yes, we've got 2 lights, so let's try it. Yeah, there's high range. Now it's going to be hard for me to kind of trim holding the camera with one hand and trimming with the other, so I'm going to briefly do it just kind of here at the edge of the driveway. I know this isn't proper posture for this, but let's see. We're going to use low range because this is light grass. I'm using low range for this, just to see. All in all, that does pretty good, I think. Like I said, this is my first experience with an electric battery trimmer like this, and first experience with Ego, period, other than the unboxing video I did a couple years ago when my cousin got the mower. But anyway, hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Please keep the comments respectful and no trolling. And please don't get on me about the way I was using that trimmer. Like I said, I was trying to do it one hand. I have no cameraman. I have no tripod. So this is what we got. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Most importantly, guys, put your trust in God. We'll talk on the next video. Shop Talk with Brett, signing out.